but for us, it's a little small milestone. Hey guys, I just came up quickly to get my phone because it was on charge, and I quickly switched it on, and wow, check this out. We've hit our 100 subscribers. Whoa! Okay, so what I want to do now is Kelby's downstairs doing a bit of editing. I'm going to go and surprise her with the good news. Let's see her reaction. Okay, so bear with me. Let's go down there. Are you winning though?
What are you doing with the camera?
No, I was just wanting to see what your reaction would be to this post that I got from one of my mates. So yeah, check it out.
What?
We did it! We got that!
Oh, this is so cool! This is heavy!
Yay!
Ooh, I'm almost knocking my copy over. What am I doing?
Thank you everybody!
Oh, yay,
Really
thank
appreciate
you.
it!
Thanks so much, guys! We did it! Now we just have a...
I know for a lot of people you might think, well, only 100, but for us it's a little small milestone.
Thank you! We did it! Mwah. Congratulations!
Thank you!
Thanks, guys! Ah! So I told Adam this week, if we reach 100 subscribers, he has to take me for dinner. That's also if the restaurant industry is open, and it is.
Say that.
Huh?
So I'm gonna have to take for dinner?
Yay! Do I get to choose the place?
Alright.
Winning.
Well, you're gonna have to choose a place that's open.
Oh man, all places are open.
Okay. Well,
Yay.
you know. But
And then-
so thanks for making me spend money.
I'm so happy. And guys, we were also discussing this week as well. We also want to give something back, you know, in these troubled times. But we're still discussing everything, and now we can finalize the plan.
We've got a couple of ideas, and yeah, we're gonna fine tune them. Well, not really fine tune them, but figure out which way or which one we want to go with, and see what we can do and come up with, and
we'll
keep you
let you
posted.
know.
Right, so it's been just over a week since we got the fantastic news that we hit the 100 subscriber mark. We are currently now sitting on 187 subscribers. So once again, thank you to all of you for your continued support, and to all of the new ones, welcome, and we hope you're enjoying our channel thus far.
So I also just want to say a huge thank you to 187 of you guys. We are so thankful for each and every one of you, and we hope that you continue to join us in our journey when we can eventually travel and make amazing travel content, because that's ultimately what we want to do. So we are so super excited for you guys to joining our journey. So Adam and I have discussed, and
So what we've decided to do is, once we get to our next goal, which is to get to 1,000 subscribers, we will donate R1 for each subscriber, which will be then a total of 1,000 Rand.
4,000 subscribers.
There we go.
So in South Africa at the moment, there is quite a huge issue regarding gender-based violence. So because gender-based violence in South Africa has been a huge issue at the moment, we feel very strongly to actually give it back to an organization that supports gender-based violence. We are currently in talks with a few organizations just to finalize everything. So we're not 100% sure of the organization at the moment, but within these next couple of weeks we are definitely going to be finalizing that, and we can't wait to go and give this organization, whichever one we do choose, we can't wait to actually give over the money.
So the sooner we can get to the 1,000 subscribers, the sooner we can then start getting the money out there to whichever organization we do end up choosing. We will obviously keep you posted with that, and hopefully make that small difference that everyone needs during these trying times.
So guys, we just want to say, if you can please share with everyone, get them to subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. The sooner we can get there, the sooner we can give over the cash, and like Adam said, we can make a huge difference. Even though it's 1,000 rand, 1,000 rand still goes a long way.
Most definitely does. Thanks very much once again. We really appreciate it. One love.
So guys, okay.
For each subscriber, once we get to the 1,000 rand, all right. Once, wait.
We can't wait for 1,000 subscribers.
Okay.
We want them now. So just say. Okay, okay, guys. Okay.
Ready?
Wow.
Okay, deep breath.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, welcome to the new ones who have subscribed to us over the last week or so. Okay.
Wow.
Because I can
Just
go
take
with the
a
flow,
deep breath.
Because I hate
Okay,
these
just
little...
let's do a deep
Yeah,
breath.
I hate these
1,
little
okay,
gaps.
1, 2, 3.
Well,
Let's begin together.
Okay,
Let's do it together. Change of
or
events.
maybe you should do...
So Adam and I have been discussing, and during these troubled times, we really want to give back to the community.
You must
The
take a
dogs.
deep breath again.
But the dogs. Why are you
Ollie! Hazel!
They're running
Hey.
into the door.
Naughty! Go lie down. Hey! Go lie down. Shush! Shush! Please. Thank you very much for
Thanks,
the support
guys.
once again. One
One
love.
love. Oh, I put 2.